This video is all about unlocking full CPU power and boosting gaming performance by disabling hidden Windows services and unnecessary features. If you are using a gaming PC or laptop and dealing with high CPU usage, low FPS, stutters, or inconsistent performance, these Windows tweaks can make a real difference. Watch till the end and make sure to subscribe for more advanced PC optimization tips. Let's dive in. In the first step, we are going to unlock full CPU power by disabling hidden Windows services that silently run in the background and waste performance. Windows enables many services by default. By turning off only the safe and unnecessary ones, you can reduce background load, improve stability, and get smoother gameplay, especially if you are on a low to mid-end PC. First, open the Windows search bar, type Services, and click on the Services app. This will open a full list of background services that start automatically with Windows. Do not get overwhelmed here. We are only touching specific services that are known to cause CPU usage, memory waste, or random spikes during gaming. Start by finding Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. This service continuously collects usage data and sends it to Microsoft. It does not improve FPS or gaming performance in any way. Right-click on it, open Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, click Stop if it is running, then press Apply and OK. Disabling this service reduces background CPU usage and limits unnecessary data activity, which helps keep FPS more stable. If you never use a printer, you should disable Print Spooler. Even without a printer connected, this service stays active and consumes system resources. Find Print Spooler, open Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, click Stop, then Apply and OK. This is completely safe as long as you do not print documents. You can also disable Program Compatibility Assistant service. This service checks older programs for compatibility issues. Most modern games and applications do not rely on it, and disabling it can slightly reduce background checks and speed up game launches. If you do not use Remote Desktop at all, you can disable Remote Desktop services, Remote Registry, and Remote Desktop Configuration. These services reserve resources even when inactive and can slow down system startup and overall performance. Turning them off reduces system overhead and frees up CPU power. Another service you should disable is Windows Error Reporting Service. It sends crash logs and error data to Microsoft in the background. During gaming, this can cause brief freezes or lag when something goes wrong. Disable it from the services list using the same steps. This prevents interruptions and helps maintain smoother gameplay. One of the biggest performance killers on low-end systems is Windows Search. It constantly indexes files using CPU and disk bandwidth. Disabling Windows Search can significantly improve responsiveness and in-game performance, especially on systems with HDDs. File searches will be slower, but the FPS boost and smoother gameplay are worth it for gaming-focused setups. For users who do not use any Bluetooth devices, disabling Bluetooth support service is a good idea. This service constantly scans for nearby devices and uses memory in the background. Before disabling it, make sure you are not using Bluetooth headphones, controllers, or any wireless accessories. After disabling these hidden Windows services, your system will have far less background activity. Your CPU can fully focus on what actually matters, which is your game. The result is better FPS stability, faster response times, reduced stuttering, and an overall smoother gaming experience. Now guys, if you're struggling with lag or high ping in your games, Gear Up Booster is the ultimate fix. Here's how it works. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Up Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Alright guys, many programs install their own background services and set them to start automatically with Windows, even when you are not actively using those apps. Over time, this creates unnecessary background load that eats CPU power, RAM, and startup speed. Cleaning these services is an important step if your goal is to unlock full CPU performance and reduce hidden system usage. Start by opening the Windows search bar. Type System Configuration and open it. This will bring up the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab, and before touching anything, enable the option that says Hide All Microsoft Services. This step is critical because it protects essential Windows services and ensures your system remains stable. Once Microsoft services are hidden, you will only see third-party services installed by apps on your PC. These usually belong to things like software updaters, cloud sync apps, printer tools, launchers, RGB utilities, or background helpers that are not required for gaming. Carefully review the list and uncheck services that you do not need running all the time. If an app does not need to function in the background while gaming, it is safe to disable its service. After you have selected the unnecessary services, click Apply, then OK. Windows will ask you to restart your system. Go ahead and restart your PC. This reboot clears out disabled services and reloads Windows with far fewer background processes. After doing this, you will notice lower CPU usage at idle, reduced background activity, faster startup times, and smoother in-game performance. Now guys, the next step is to turn off unwanted Windows features that quietly consume system resources in the background. These built-in components are enabled by default, even though they are not required for gaming. Disabling them helps reduce CPU load, free up RAM, and improve overall FPS stability. Open the Windows search bar, type Windows Features, and click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. This will open a list of optional Windows features. Go through them carefully and uncheck the following options exactly as they appear in the settings. Hyper-V, used for virtualization and virtual machines. Disable this if you do not use virtual machines. WSL, Docker, or development tools. Internet Information Services, a web server feature designed for hosting websites. It has no benefit for gaming or normal home use. Internet Information Services Hostable Web Core. Works together with IIS. Safe to disable on gaming systems. Microsoft XPS Document Writer. An outdated virtual printer feature that is rarely used. Completely unnecessary for gaming. Print and document services. Only required if you regularly use a printer. Safe to disable on gaming-focused PCs. Simple TCP/IP services. Legacy networking features that are no longer useful for modern systems. SMB 1.0. CIFS file sharing support. A very old file sharing protocol with known security risks. Disable it unless you connect to very old devices. Telnet client. An outdated remote connection tool. Not needed for gaming or everyday use. TFTP client, a legacy file transfer service, safe to disable. Virtual machine platform, supports virtualization features. Disable it if you are not running virtual machines. Windows hypervisor platform, works alongside Hyper-V, safe to turn off if virtualization is not used. Windows PowerShell 2.0, deprecated and no longer needed. Modern PowerShell is already installed. Windows Sandbox creates a temporary isolated environment. Disabling it frees up reserved system resources. Windows Subsystem for Linux allows Linux tools to run on Windows. Disable it if you are not a developer. Work Folders client, used for syncing files in business networks. Not needed for home or gaming PCs. After unchecking these options, click OK and let Windows apply the changes. Once finished, restart your PC so everything takes effect properly. After rebooting, your system will run with fewer background components, lower CPU usage, and smoother gaming performance. This simple tweak can help reduce stutters, stabilize FPS, and fully unlock your CPU's potential for gaming. That's it for this guide. Apply these tweaks and enjoy smoother gameplay with better FPS and reduced CPU lag. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more powerful PC optimization guides.